Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see the wiper removal video first. For installation on a top lock arm, the connector you will be using is not installed. You will need to remove the pre-installed connector and replace it with the B connector before you can install your new wiper blade. Note, this wiper blade features an aerodynamic design with a sleek built-in spoiler. You will need to ensure your spoiler is facing the correct position. The spoiler should always face towards the windshield. Remove your new wiper blade and new connector B from the packaging. To remove the pre-installed connector, lift the front connector tab open and continue pulling until it releases away from the blade. Align the holes on the side of the connector with the mounting base of the wiper blade. Snap the connector onto the wiper blade. Slide the connector into the arm until you hear a click sound. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Place the arm gently back on the windshield. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles on your vehicle after installing new blades to ensure they are working properly.